The ED50 Plus Rex Barking Dog Alarm is a high-tech deterrent for burglars. Check out these cool features. Reliable 24-hour protection. No installation required. Radar senses intruders up to 30 feet away. Walls, doors, and glass. Variable sensitivity control. 100 decibel barking sound at top volume. Sounds like a real angry guard dog. Barking becomes louder and more frequent as intruder comes closer. The new ED50 Plus model has 4 sound options. And to complete the deception, the package includes dog bowl, leash, and that all-important warning signage. Wow! All of this for $99 and 30-day money-back guarantee.
Good boy. Fetch the ball.
The ED50 Rex Barking Dog Alarm.